Today's affirmations are about how to feel worthy of wealth. Be sure to like and subscribe and stay to the end for our motivational quote. I am worthy. I deserve success. I can accept money freely. People see my worth. Every day, I deserve more. Today, success finds me. I am deserving. I welcome money into my life. And as always, let's end with, I'm alive, excited, and full of energy. Remember, the more you repeat these affirmations, the more they become part of your everyday thinking. If you have an affirmation you'd like to share, please comment below and we may feature it in an upcoming episode. Feel free to watch this again and come back tomorrow for another 8 daily affirmations.